Welcome to Thermomix Thursday. I can't remember if I have made this before, but I am making it again because it is an absolute favourite in our house. And with the festivities that are coming up, if you're going to barbecues, if you're entertaining at yours, you're going to other people's places, you always want a quick and easy nibble, something to go onto a platter. And this is it is so good. I'm making a capsicum and sun-dried tomato dip, and it's not just a dip. You can use this as like the center of a platter. You could sprinkle feta on the top and some basil, serve it with crackers. Or my son has just started having it in his sandwiches. I said to him, take some sandwiches to work the other day, and he goes, sandwiches are so boring, Mum. I said, I'll make them for you. And I put hummus and I put this dip and I put some chicken. He was like, Mum, those sandwiches were the best, but it was because of that sun-dried tomato dip. So we are just about out, so I'm making some more and taking you on the journey as well. My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living with the Thermomix as my tool or vehicle to make that more achievable and quicker. So, you know those, you go to the supermarket and you can buy the dips where they've got the chunky cashews, and they come in a tiny little container like this, and they're either sun-dried tomato or they're pesto flavoured, and they cost like $5 at least. I'm making that today. I'm probably making 3 or 4 times the quantity, probably for about the same price. So we have just got to put into our, I'm putting Parmesan in, and I'm just going to put my measuring cup on, and I'm grating that for 9 minutes. So this is at speed 9. So 10 is milling, 9 is practically milling, and it's just grating that up. So if you buy grated Parmesan cheese, you don't need to. So that is in 10 seconds. You can see that that is finely grated up. Okay, next, it says to scrape down the sides, and I forgot to get my spatula out. I'm just adding all the other ingredients. Sun-dried tomatoes, some fresh red capsicum, just chopped up, not finely, some raw cashews. I've already pre-weighed these out just for the purposes of the demo, but you don't need to. And then 20 grams of olive oil. It's gone back to 0. It's going to weigh it out for me. And then I'm going to next, I'm adding some vinegar. It's gone back to 0, just 10 grams, just to add a little bit. And then I love basil. These are like the first basil leaves that I picked out of my garden. And I'm just going to chuck that in. Okay. And now insert, and it's going to, this is using the turbo mode, so I actually get to control what the texture is. So I'm just turning this, it's just doing a 1 second grind. Okay, so you can see, and then if I just push that and hit next, look at that. How long did that take me? Like, not long at all, obviously, less than a couple of minutes. And there is a perfect dip or anything to take to a barbecue, or as I say, just have in the fridge, just to have as sandwiches. Now, today is our final day for our second bowl offer. It finishes at midnight tonight, but don't leave it till midnight to order your Thermomix if you've been leaving it till the last minute. $29, normally $429. And the black is still available. We're like on there's like 80 or 90 units left. So if you want to get a black or white Thermomix and get this extra bowl, then reach out to me and I can share the link with you and we can do a demo afterwards. Now, if you are really wanting a Thermomix on your bench, but the cost is really holding you back, but you know that a Thermomix will make your life so much easier in the lead up and the prep for Christmas, then I want you to reach out to me, because there is the opportunity to earn your machine for free, which is what I did. I'm a training team leader, and I'd love you to join my team. So just reach out to me, because there is a way that you can get it for just the deposit of $849. You can get your Thermomix before Christmas. You get Christmas to have a play with it, and then you can start become a consultant in January. And it is such a brilliant option. It's my favorite, and as I said, what I did. So I would love to hear from you. If you want to purchase a Thermomix, or if you want to learn more about the urn, then just reach out. Have you tried this dip? Is it one of your faves, or is it something that you will now make? Okay, see you later. Bye.